Welcome to the world of financial possibilities and market mastery, where charts come to life and currencies dance to the rhythm of global economies. This is JaView's platform, your passport to the captivating universe of Forex trading. If you've ever wondered how fortunes are made or sought the thrill of navigating the world's largest and most dynamic financial market, you're in the right place. Buckle up as we embark on a journey through the highs and lows of currency exchange, decode the secrets of technical analysis, and uncover the strategies that transform everyday traders into financial maestros. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newcomer, this channel is your gateway to understanding the pulse of the Forex market. Get ready to trade knowledge for success and join us in unraveling the mysteries of Forex on JView's platform. Let's now talk about what is Forex market. The Forex market, also known as the foreign exchange market, FX market or currency market, is a global decentralized marketplace where participants trade currencies. It stands as the largest and most liquid financial market globally, serving as the linchpin for international trade and investment. Unlike traditional stock markets, the Forex market operates 24 hours a day and about 5 days a week, owing to its dispersion across major financial centers worldwide. At its core, the Forex market is a network of banks, financial institutions, corporations, governments, and individual traders who engage in the buying and selling of currencies. The primary objective is to exchange one currency for another, anticipating changes in exchange rates to make a profit. The foundation of this market lies in the continuous flow of currency trading, with transactions occurring electronically over the counter, popularly called OTC, rather than on a centralized exchange. Key participants in the Forex market include central banks, which intervene to stabilize or manipulate their currency's value, and commercial banks that facilitate transactions for businesses and individuals. Additionally, institutional investors, hedge funds, and retail traders actively contribute to the market's dynamism. Currency pairs form the backbone of Forex trading. These pairs consist of two currencies, with the first currency denoted as the base currency and the second is the quote currency. The exchange rate indicates how much of the quote currency is needed to purchase 1 unit of the base currency. Major currency pairs such as EUR USD, Euro US dollar, and USD JPY US dollar Japanese yen dominate trading activities due to the economic significance of the countries involved. The Forex market operates on the principles of supply and demand, influenced by a myriad of factors. Economic indicators like interest rates, inflation, and employment figures, along with geopolitical events, impact currency values. Traders analyze these factors using two main approaches: technical analysis, which involves studying historical price charts and patterns, and fundamental analysis, which assesses economic indicators and geopolitical events. One distinctive feature of the Forex market is leverage, a mechanism that enables traders to control larger positions with a relatively small amount of capital, while leverage magnifies potential profits. It also increases the risk of substantial losses, making risk management a critical aspect of successful Forex trading. Various financial instruments facilitate trading in the Forex market. These include spot transactions, futures, contracts, forwards, and options. Spot transactions involve the immediate exchange of currencies at the prevailing market rate, while derivatives like futures and options provide tools for hedging against currency risk or speculating on future price movements. In conclusion, the Forex market serves as the epicenter of global finance, connecting participants across the world in the continuous exchange of currencies. Its vast liquidity, accessibility, and diverse opportunities make it a hub for traders seeking to capitalize on currency fluctuations. Successful participation in the Forex market requires a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics, risk management strategies, and a continuous commitment to staying informed. As we draw the curtains on this insightful and brief introduction to Forex trading, this is just the beginning. Remember that success in the markets is not just about charts and numbers. It's about embracing the continuous learning process here at JView's platform. My mission is to empower you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to navigate the Forex world with finesse. So hit that subscribe button, join my vibrant community, and let's continue this exhilarating expedition together. The Forex market never sleeps, and JView's platform is committed to bringing you the latest insights and strategies to elevate your trading game. Until next time, happy trading.